This video is about installing front fender on Ural or Dnepr motorcycles without scratching. There is no scratches and it sits very tight. Same here. For the first time I installed this frame, I've done lots of scratches around this area, but eventually I found that we can just put a piece of plastic on both sides of the fork, like this. Using paint tape to hold plastic pieces in place for now. Hold and breathe, moving fender slowly. Now we cut paint tape because fender is holding it against the fork. And now just pull the fender up along with plastic pieces and do it slowly. There is no scratches or any traces. Fixing the fender in place. It's challenging to remove plastic piece because fender sits very tight. There is some traces of painting paper, but there is no any scratches, not on this side or other side. Checking the other side, well, nothing's here. Well, yeah, that's how you install a front fender. And another topic is how to install front fender on leading link fork. Pretty much same, used plastic pieces to make sure there is no scratches. These are plastic folders attached to the fork.